Would you like to make $500 with affiliate marketing? Then watch this video. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a niche, well actually a specific sub-niche that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing. And also I'm going to show you a free traffic source that converts really well with this sub-niche. And if you're a beginner, don't worry, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up everything. So without further ado, let me just jump on my computer and we are going to begin. Okay guys, you can use this method to promote products from any niche you want, but from my experience, this method works best with make money online niche and actually with a specific sub-niche. And in a minute, I'm going to tell you what that niche is, that specific sub-niche is. So first thing you need to do, you need to find products to promote. And for that you can use Digistore24, you can use JVZoo, Warrior Plus or any other affiliate network. But from my experience, best products in this sub-niche you can find on ClickBank. So because we are talking about make money online, so what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click on e-business and e-marketing. Now what I also like to do, I like to promote products that have recurring commission. So what recurring commission means? That means that these people that we affiliate will actually need to pay a monthly fee. And that means that we as an affiliate will earn a monthly commission. Every month we will earn a specific percentage of their monthly fee. In other words, we are going to use affiliate marketing to make a passive income. So what you need to do, I need to scroll here and you need to click here on recurring commission. Okay? And when you are offering recurring commission to people, they also like to test those products before they decide do they wish to continue paying a monthly commission. So what you need to do, you either need to give them a free trial or a $1 trial. So what I need to do, I need to click here on $1 trial. And now ClickBank will give me a list of products in Make Money Online that have recurring commission and that also have a $1 trial. So I'm actually looking for a specific product in this category. So let me just scroll through this to find that product. Okay, this is the product. Free traffic system. So let me just open their sales page in new tab and you will see in a minute why we need this product specifically. And we need their sales page and you will see later why, because we are actually going to use some of the things from their sales page. So now when we have our product, now we need to start promoting that product. So let me first show you potential of the website we are going to use. When we go on SimilarWeb, we will see that this website got 188,000 visits last month. And even though this is not an amazing number of visits, these are actually targeted visits. And that is why this website has a potential. And the website we are going to use is called Leads Leap. And when you scroll here, you will see that they have 119,000 members. They delivered 28 million visits. And here you can see some features, things that you are getting with this website. And when you scroll here, you will see 4 ways to get a free traffic, free tools. You will see money, 4 ways to make money. And here you can see some testimonials. Now this website exists since 2008. In internet era, that is a long time. So this is a trusted website. So obviously first thing you need to do, you need to register. So here in upper right corner, click on join for free. And you need to add your username, your email address, your first name, your password, and click on sign up. And you will need to confirm your email. And after you confirm your email, you will come to your dashboard. So what is a Leads Leap? Leads Leap is basically a traffic exchange website. That means you visit my website, I visit your website. And that is exactly what we are looking for. And that is exactly why we promote this product here. Because this product will actually show these people how to get a free traffic. And all of these people are here because they are all looking for a way to get a free traffic. That is why they are on the traffic exchange website. And that is why we will get a targeted visits from this website here. So first thing you need to do, you need to earn credits that you will later exchange for a free visits. So how do you earn credits? You need to click on these ads here, but pay attention. Do not click here, as you can see here, for bot detection. And that is actually to check if you use any kind of bot or any kind of software to get as much credits as you want. And they are actually fighting against that. It is against their rules. If you click on 3 of these, your account will be banned and you will not be able to exchange your credits for a free visits. Like I said, this website exists since 2008. This is a trusted website, and reason for that is because they are fighting against spammers. So do not click on these ads here, only click on these ads here. So let me just click on one of these to show you how this works. So for example, on this one here, for example, and here you can see I have 0 credits today. So let me just click on one of these ads. Now one website will start loading. It is loading. My internet is for some reason slow today. And you actually need, okay, this is some kind of landing page. Somebody is promoting their landing page. They use this website to build their mailing list. So what you need to do, you need to stay on this website for 10, 20, 30 seconds, depending on the website, and depending how long you need to stay on that website, you will earn a specific amount of credits. 0.10 credits, 0.2, 0.5 credits, even a 1 credit. So I spend enough time, so let me just close this, and let me just refresh this page. Give it a second. As you can see, I earned 0.42 credits for visiting this one website. And all you have to do is just open link in new window and again and again and again to earn credits that you can later exchange for a free visits to your own website, landing page, blog, YouTube video, or whatever you are promoting. And yes, this takes time, but you can pay if you want. You can pay, you can buy credits. But I'm guessing that most of you are looking for a way to get a free credits, and this is how you earn free credits. Just click on these ads here, and again, do not click on these ads here. These are spam checkers. Only click on these ads here, and if you do this for, let's say, 30 minutes per day, you can easily earn 20-30 credits per day. So now when you have enough credits, how do you actually promote your product? So what you need to do, you need to go here on the right side and click here post credit ads free. And you need to click here on add a new ad, okay? And let me just scroll here. You need to add a URL to your affiliate product. So you need to go back on ClickBank and you need to click here on promote and click here on generate hook link. Give it a second. Click here to copy. Let me just close this and let me just go back here and I need to paste it here, okay? This is my affiliate, ClickBank affiliate link. You need to add a title. It must be up to 25 letters long and it should be catchy. So I can go back on their sales page and I can say $128 free traffic. Okay, we just Control C to copy this. Go back here, Control V, and it is too long, so let me just do this, okay? It's not the best title, you will make better title. I'm doing this just for the purpose of this video. Now I need to add text. It should be up to 60 letters long. So I can go back here and I can just copy this, Control C, go back here, paste it here. It is too long, so let me just, okay, let's just do this. And that is enough. And here you need to choose an image. So I will go back here and it is best if you actually choose a payment proof that this method actually works. So let me just go through these images here. So let me just go through this to find the best image. So let's say I wish to use this image here. So right click here and save image as, click save, and I need to go back here and I need to add that image here. Now you cannot use images that are not royalty free or images that have watermark. You must use royalty free images that don't have watermark. So just click here. Okay, now you need to choose a category and you need to choose any category from internet marketing. Let's say internet marketing, affiliate marketing, traffic exchange, make money, marketing system, make money. So let's say affiliate marketing for this example. This is optional, you don't have to do this, and here you need to just add how many credits you wish to give people for each visit to your website, to your landing page, to your affiliate offer or whatever you are promoting. And all you have to do after that, just click here, save and submit, and that's it. People will start visiting your affiliate offer. And like I said, because all of these people are looking for a way to get a free traffic, and this product here is teaching them how to get a free traffic, these people are actually targeted visitors. And if you send a few visitors, let's say 100, 200, 500 people, some of them will buy this product because this product in specific is not that expensive. As you can see here, they can start $1 trial. and it lasts 2 weeks. And they also have this product have 60-day money back guarantee, and that is really important. Whenever you are promoting any affiliate offer, always look if they have money back guarantee. So let me just scroll here. As you can see here, so let me just scroll more to find this product actually costs $37 per month, so it's not that expensive. And like I said, it will teach them how to get a free traffic so they don't have to use Traffic Exchange anymore. And that is why this is a targeted traffic, and that is why this method works specifically in this sub niche with these specific products. So you need to find products that will teach people how to get a free traffic and then promote them in Traffic Exchange website. So this is how you do affiliate marketing without website by driving free traffic as a beginner. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.